Friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to be doing some curbside deals with your cell phone or your desktop computer over at Walgreens. What does curbside mean? Well, you're punching that blue button. We're doing deals specifically with no register rewards or Walgreens cash. We're specifically looking for cheap products only. They've changed the rules over there in the last couple of months, and it kind of makes it difficult for both. So we're just looking for this purposes of this video for the cheapy stuff. Okay, first deal that we're going to look at, this is a really good one. And I noticed this coupon yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh. So we either have the lavender or the eucalyptus $1.99 Epsom salt. So for baths, amazing, BOGO 50% off. And we have this $3 off, and it says for antiseptic, but the Epsom salt can also be used for that, so that makes perfect sense. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. Even if your store's not in stock, when they do restock, maybe by the end of the month, you can grab one along with this $1.50 digital coupon. And it's also on a BOGO 50% off, so you can line that up that it's going to be pretty fantastic. We're also going to grab one of these Father's Day cards if your store might have any left, and I'll show you other ways to get the basket really cheap if you want to grab other items. My store only had one left, and we have this $1 digital coupon that you'll load. If you wanted to get more, say your store had a whole bunch, by all means get more of those Father's Day cards, but I could only get one for this basket to show you guys. And then the last item that we're going to grab is these pads by by Kotex, 2 for $5. And if you look at the bottom, see how it says save $4 coupon? So like, hello. And we're going to get these pads for free, and I'm going to show you here in a second how to do that. This is the coupon that you must load. So it is valid this week, and that is called a little gift. Okay, my friends, so looking at your basket, we have $10.97. We're going to get that free curbside pickup. We're going to drive to the store to grab it, so that's what that means. We have a little bit of tax, and we have $7.99 of manufacturer coupons coming off there for a total of $3.34. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 34 cents. And just to show you our pretty little chorus line of digital coupons that are coming off, here they all are. If you're like, did it work? There it is. So that is pretty amazing. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, I have this 1,500 points when I buy 2. Hey, guess what? That's $1.50 back with the Fetch Rewards app. So it makes your whole basket like $1.50 for all of that magic. And if you've been kind of shy and you're like, I don't want another app for my phone. If you're a couponer or if you just like to save money, this is a really cool app, Fetch. Basically, you photograph receipts to get points towards gift cards. And when you're a new sign up and you photograph your first receipt, you're given $2. And when they have products like this, like $1.50 back for buying Kotex, that's what makes the app so fantastic. So if you've been like kind of on the fence about signing up for the Fetch Rewards app, check out the link in the notes, and when you use my referral code for new signups only, you're given an extra $2 for a pack of gum or an Egg McMuffin or anything you bought in the last week. You're given $2. It's that great. Okay, curbside deal number 2. But before we talk about the deal, I want to point something out. See how it says employee price for $5.94? So I am on my app all the time, and I think the app just thinks that I'm an employee there. I don't work for Walgreens, guys. If I did, I'd have better deals for you. But it's just a glitch in the app. When I go to checkout, this thing will be $6.99. So please don't ask how you get this employee discount. I'm not getting it. But on these specific wipes, they're buy 2, get the 3rd for free. So I'm going to grab 3 of them. I had to mix and match because you can't get 3 of one item. But we have this digital, which is a 5 off of 2 off of the Garnier Skin Active products. And yes, those wipes are in fact part of it. So make sure you have this guy loaded. Just to show you the summary now, our digital coupon came off. As you can see, those wipes are $6.99, so $13.98 for 2. I'm getting 1 for free. Boom, there's the magic. We have a bit of tax, my digital coupon. The new total is $9.82. I would encourage you to grab some candy or like something really cheap to throw in the basket. So you can use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay very little. If you wanted to get some inexpensive makeup wipes, I think this is the way to do it. Okay, so the last deal that we're going to look at is basically a deal. We're just changing up basket number 1. And we're going to throw in this, which are the Walgreens Maxi Pads. If you didn't do this deal, it's $2.99. It's not $2.47. I'm not an employee. I don't know why it pins that way in my cell phone. I think it's just because I'm in the app like 6 times a day. So they're like, oh, this woman must be an employee or she must be crazy. You pick. So we have this very generous coupon. If you didn't use it last week when I was showing this deal, it's $2.50 off. So it makes those pads super uber cheap. So make sure you have it loaded. And then we're going to go back and grab 2 more of those Epsom salts because that's such a good deal, and we're going to load the coupons that we're affixing to it. I'm just not going to show them again. And then the final product that we're going to grab is 2 of these U by Kotex along with the 4 off of 2 digital. Please make sure you have that loaded too. To make this video a bit more brief, I'm just not going to repeat those coupons. But what I will do is show you checkout. Our total was $12.26. So we're going to get that free curbside pickup, tax, $8.98 of digitals. So the new total is $3.56. Use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 56 cents with your debit card. I think that's super uber smart. And just to show you, here's your pretty little chorus line of digital coupons. And let's not forget, as we're buying those U by Kotex, make that $1.50 application to the Fetch Rewards app to get a little bit of money back. It makes it like $1.56 for some change for a whole bunch of pads and some like Epsom salt. That's called a marvelous basket, any way you slice it or dice it. Now, if you're having some trouble and you're like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to grab, my store's out of everything, Checkout 51's giving 38 cents for these single baby Ruths. It always makes a nice little snack, so you could always throw one of these in. I think they're $1.49, a little bit more, but you're getting 38 cents back. Just an option for a little cheap filler item. And that is it for this video, guys. Get your orders in. Some fire deals, especially for that Epsom salt. Wow. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.